YouTube channel. Today's video is a beauty room rearranged. So I've kind of rearranged my beauty room, so I thought I would show you guys of what I've done. Plus I now have enough room for a wardrobe and another like chest of drawers or something, or a unit, or more Alex drawers. I could have anything in this room. So if you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Lauren. I upload 3 times a week, a Wednesday and a Friday, 7 PM and Sunday, 6 PM. My channel is all about beauty, hair, hauls, house bits, absolutely anything. So if you want to see any kind of house bits or makeup or anything like that, then please click on this channel. So click on subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, so you are notified every time I upload, so you do not miss any uploads. So this video is a beauty room rearranged, so let's get into this video. This is what it looks like when you're standing outside of my beauty room door. So you can see all of my Alex drawers over there and all of my bits and bobs and everything. And as you come in, it's all moved. It's all changed around. So I will be bringing you round the room. So as you can see, I have a lot of space here now. I have loads and loads of room, so I can put either a wardrobe there or a unit. I might have like a chest of drawer or something there, or a unit or something. I don't know what yet, but anyway, that it will be from IKEA. I know that for a fact. So I might have like a chest of drawers or a unit sitting there. I don't know what's going to happen yet, but I know I want something there. I have my lac shelf here, as always, in the corner because it's now screwed to the wall. So I have my lac shelf here. This ain't a proper beauty room tour. If you want to see my beauty room tour, it is on my channel somewhere. I will leave it in the description box below for you guys, so you guys can check that out. But this is not a beauty room tour, this is a rearrange of the beauty room. And then I've moved my dressing table and my Hollywood mirror and my chair over here. I thought it would look a hell of a lot better. If you have seen all my other videos, I had my dressing table over here, and then I had the light of the window coming in, so I had that reflecting in the mirror. Oh, it was just an absolute nightmare because I kept having the sun in and out. I kept having to move my ring light here, there and everywhere. So I moved it here so it looks better against my lac shelf. It looks much more better. And also, when I have prints and everything else, I am going to have something else here as well. But I'm going to have prints and everything, so this background is going to be my new background for like filming and stuff. So I will have loads and loads of prints from Desenio that I have seen on their website. I have loads and loads of Desenio prints already written down, so I can just click on them, order them and put them into place. Like I said, I've put my dressing table over here, so I've got a better background. I still have that chair. I am getting a different chair, just not yet. I have got one of my storage boxes down there for my hair dryer, straighteners and curlers. I've actually used my what's it called, Soap and Glory Temptations tin at the moment for a bin. Simply reason because I don't have a bin yet. And then I've just got some bits and bobs down there which I need to put away into storage. And then I have this massive great big space here. So I'm going to have my wardrobe going here. I've actually designed my own wardrobe from IKEA on the PAX planner. So I've designed my whole wardrobe how I want it. There's going to be loads of storage, loads of bits where I can put some clothes, loads of extra storage space. It's going to be absolutely really nice. Again, when it's been put into place and it's all there and the room is completely finished, then I will show you a new beauty room tour. It's nearly finished, it's about 95% done. I've just got to have the wardrobe, the rug, the radiator cover, and obviously some little units here and some prints and stuff. So it's almost finished. So yeah, so I'm going to have a nice PAX wardrobe there, which I have planned myself. If you guys don't know how to use the PAX planner, then please let me know in the comment section below and I will guide you through it. I was going to leave it in the description box below for you guys, but I don't know if the link is still active because sometimes it goes on and sometimes it goes off. So yeah, I will see what I can do for you guys. But on the windowsill, I've still got little bits and bobs on there. I will end up changing the whole scenario around when everything is all in place. And then I've still got me a couple of prints here. I've got the canvas picture of me and Katie Price. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. There you go. Me and Pricey when I used to work at Medichem. And I've just got the spread, the sparkle picture, which I don't think, there we go. My camera was taking very long to focus. And then I've got Nathan's all aftershave and everything all there. Got 2 Alex 9 drawers, 2 Alex 5 drawers, and I've just got all my perfumes and everything else along there. That Marilyn Monroe poster or picture will go up on the wall, but I just don't know where yet. Until I've got the rest of the furniture, then I'll know where to stick pictures and stuff. So at the moment, she's just chilling on my little acrylics there for my lipsticks. And then obviously I've got my little flower lamp thing that I got from my auntie's wedding. And I've got another little acrylic stand there. And then I've got all of my makeup all in these drawers, which you guys will see a proper makeup collection and storage and everything else going towards that. So yeah, I have done a proper rearrange for this beauty room. If you have seen my latest video of my beauty room or my beauty room updates or my beauty room tour, then you would know that it was completely different than it was then to now. I will try and leave the link down below. If not, then you'll have to have a look on my channel, I'm afraid. Sometimes I forget things and it's because I'm getting older. Don't panic. But yeah, so this carpet we are keeping because it's still brand new. The landlord said he only just put it in like literally a few months before we moved in, so it's still brand new, so we're not changing the carpet or anything. It just needs a little accessories. I don't know if you guys saw, but we've got a nice crystal doorknob now on the door. And Nathan actually bought me the plaque for my door as well. So it says Lauren's Beauty Room as well. So it looks absolutely stunning in here at the moment. Obviously, there's still things to do. We've got the lampshade in here as well, which we got from Next. So there is still things that needs to be done in this room. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pan you around now. And I'm going to shut up talking, just give you a quick pan around of the room. So obviously a wardrobe is going to go there, chest of drawers and stuff is going to go there. So I'm just going to give you a quick pan around of the room and I'm going to shut up talking. So there's going to be a little bit of a music clip, obviously the non-copyrighted music, because I don't want to get copyrighted. So there's going to be a pan around and a music so you can check it out for yourself. Been my beauty room rearranged. As you can see, most of all the stuff I still had in my beauty room, but I just moved a couple of things around. I just moved my dressing table around and a Alex 5 drawers are the only thing I've moved around. Plus I've taken out my canvas wardrobe that is now in the spare bedroom, so I know what kind of space I've got to play with, so when I build up my wardrobe I know if it's all going to fit or not. And I've moved my ottoman from in here to my spare bedroom. so I can just put that all in there for now. That spare bedroom is just chock-a-block with a load of stuff at the moment. Until we can sort all the rooms out, the last room is going to be the spare bedroom. That is going to be the last room to be done, because hence it's a spare bedroom at the moment. It's our kind of room to put things in, and I'm not even pregnant yet, so it's not going to be a nursery just yet, but it will do eventually. But yeah, at the moment it's just a storage room. So this video has been my beauty room rearranged. If you guys have enjoyed this kind of video, then please give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down the bottom as well. Don't forget to click on the notification, which is next to the subscribe button, so you are notified every time I upload, so you do not miss any uploads. There's going to be loads and loads of videos coming up your way. I've still got a sister does my makeup video. Well, sister picks up my makeup. She doesn't do my makeup, she picks up my makeup. I've got loads and loads of videos coming up. I've got the kitchen to show you. When that's done, obviously there's more house bits to add. There's our carpets and everything going to be laid. Plus, I'm going back to work on the 8th. So hopefully sometime on the weekend, if we can save some money, we can go to B&M and everything, so I can do a B&M haul and so on and so on. But yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe. Do not crowd yourself with too many people, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.